and the trunk liner and the hood liner. Now that would be trunk liner and the funk liner. So the funk is in the front and the trunk is in the back. So let's see what we got here going on in this box right here. So in here we should have the floor mats for the front and the back. Alright, let's see what we got here. So we have here, this would be the floor mats for the back seat. Oh wow, this is pretty nice. These are nicer than the version that I have. Alright, so these are the floor mat right here. These are nice and soft. Oh, these are way cool. So these are nice and soft. And you can take these out for cleaning right here. You pop these out right here. If you want to take them out and clean them. Right here, pop them out. So these are for the back seat. So these Tesla Model 3 2024 Highlander. So these are floor mat for the back seat. All right. Then here we have the floor mats for the front seat. These are for the front seat. And these are really nice. Nice and padded here, nice and soft. So Tesla Model 3 2024 Highland. So these are the floor mat for the front. All right, that will be the passenger side looks like. And oh, this is definitely the driver's side. And these are definitely nice. Nice and soft right here. So your foot won't be slipping when you drive using the gas pedal. All right, so these come out if you want to clean them. Then you have just this bottom part. So these are really nice. So these are the Tesla Model 3 2024 Highland floor mats. These are front and the rear. Then let's see what we have in here. One of these should be for the funk, we call it the front portion of the trunk. We call funk trunk. Let's see what we got in here. Let's see what we got here. So these are the liners. Let's see what we got here. We got a liner here. This liner. Okay, so this liner right here, this is for the trunk. All right, so it comes two pieces. The liner for the trunk. There's two pieces. All right, and then let's get one more box we have here. One more box we have here. This should be for the front, which is called a funk. Instead of trunk. So in the front portion, we have this one here. Let's see what we have in this box here. Alrighty. Let me get this open. It'll be fine. They pack is pretty good. Alright, let's get this open out of here. See what we have here. Again, this is 2024 Tesla Model 3. And we're unboxing floor mats for the front and rear seat. And so far we did the floor mats for the front and rear. And this is probably for the trunk. This is really huge. And this is a liner for the trunk, so if you spill anything in there, you won't damage the carpet because we'll have this to take out and clean up. This is packed pretty tight in there. All right, so let's see what we got here. So, oh, this is another set of floor mats, cheaper version. So these floor mats are for the Tesla Model 3. Just a different style. This is a cheaper version than the first version. This says Model 3. This is a way cheaper version than the first version. All right, so these are. Oh no! This is this goes inside of the funk in the front. That's what this is right here. That's for Model 3 for the front. This goes in the front so if you have a spill, you wouldn't damage the insides of the car. And then let's see, this should be the one for the trunk of the car. Let's see what we got here. And let's see. This is a protection, so if you have any spills or if you're hauling around a lot of stuff, this goes for the back of the car. So definitely, this is good to have. This goes in the trunk of the car. So that if you have any stuff that this goes in the back of the car. Sure, this goes in the trunk, and this is just a liner for the trunk. Alrighty, so there we go. Tesla Model 3 2024. We have the liner for the trunk, the liner for the back trunk or front trunk or funk, and the mat for the car, the floor mats. All right, so